Hey guys, I'm Joseph Price, AKA the Bearded Rapper. This is my Ford F-250. It's a 2017 RBP SEMA build with the 6-inch lift. I have the Rolling Big Power Avengers 22-inch rims, the Midnight Grille by Rolling Big Power, and the 6-inch lift. Great product, great team to be working with. Their experience has been awesome, and the help that they give is awesome, and the ride on this truck is unbelievable. I guess one of my favorite parts of all the RBP stuff would be the Midnight Grille. I think at the front of the truck, it just, when you're looking straight ahead, it just gives that mean stance, that mean look to it.